Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Beth, and I think we can all agree that 2025 has kind of gotten off to a rough start, at least for a lot of people, and so I thought it would be the best time to go ahead and film this kind of silly video that I have here. So these are the mini brands, little mystery balls that they did with Ulta. So as you can see, I have two here. I'd actually filmed a version of this video probably several months ago at this point. I think I also did two of these balls at that point. Unfortunately, when I imported that footage, there was no audio, so I'm not sure exactly what happened. But that's not really the type of video that you can refilm if it doesn't go well. So I thought I would open two more of these on camera, and then I will show you what I got in my previous two. And then I also pulled or will pull any of the full-size products that I receive as miniatures. So we'll do a little bit of a comparison at the end. So this is just a bit of fun. I know a lot of people think this is kind of a pointless thing to spend money on. But personally, I find it, I don't know, kind of fun. I like miniature things. So we have this outer plastic here. And then another inner plastic. And then you have the outer ball packaging and the inner little individually wrapped items. So I think you get 5 in each. And we have the list of all of the possible items. So let's see what we got. Hopefully not too many repeats. All right, in no particular order here. Alrighty, we got an all-nighter spray from Urban Decay, and I really like how a lot of these caps are removable. So that is fun. They even have very small print on the reverse. All right, so that's the first item. Secondly, we have, oh, this is the Way Detox shampoo. I think I actually have a full size of this, or near a full size, so I'll pull that out. But that is the Way Detox shampoo. And then in this one, so we have the Unicorn Fruit Whipped Body Butter by Truly. And yeah, that's a lot of fun. I do like that. That's really cute. So yeah, I guess these are kind of Barbie size. They might be a little bit too big for Barbies. I don't know if they're American Girl doll sized. Okay, this one is the discoloration correcting serum with the pipette that comes out. This one might be a repeat for me. I have to double check. And then the last one here in this one is a Shea Moisture Frizz-Free Curl Mousse. I'll focus on that. And yeah, this one does have a removable cap as well. I'd love to see how they make these things. I think that would be really fascinating. Okay, so let's get into this one. It's for ages 3 and up, apparently. All right, so it should be pretty much the same packaging as the other one. All right, the first one here, okay, so we have the Redken One United Spray. I think I have a travel size of that, but not the full size. And this one, okay, so we get the Epic Ink Liner from NYX. Really cute how it's in its own little individual box. And if I can very gently, oops, try to open this without tearing it. I don't even know if my My spatula, I think, is too big for it. There we go. So this does have, and I don't think all of these are to the same scale either. So this does have a NYX eyeliner. I don't think this cap comes off, unfortunately, but still very, very cute. Kind of hoping for some Urban Decay, like eyeshadow, but we'll see. All right, this one, okay, this one is a Shape Tape concealer by Tarte. And then this one, oh, okay, so we got another, well, I say another because I already got some, but this is an OPI nail polish. And I don't know, doesn't say what the shade is on the actual item. And then lastly, what do we have here? Okay, so this is the Way Scalp Serum, which I don't think I have. Oh, that just comes off like that, I guess. Okay, so that is what is in these two, and I'll show you what I got previously. I just saved one of these for some reason. Okay, so I think previously I'd gotten 2 different OPI nail polishes. So now I have 3 in total. I got a Way hair mask, which does actually open. If I can get my finger in between the lid here. So very, very cute. A Tarte mascara, Man-Eater mascara, and this does actually come out, and it has kind of like a flocked applicator. The e.l.f. Holy Hydration Cleansing Balm, like so. The Good Molecules Niacinamide Brightening Toner. I'm not sure if this comes off or not. This, I think, is what I said was the possible repeat. Yeah. So another one of these little toners. And then I got a Monday shampoo and a Redken Acidic Bonding Concentrate shampoo. And then the e.l.f. Jelly Pop primer. And this comes off. So I had the printout. So I'll mark everything off and then you can see what else I could have gotten. So nothing from Drybar, but some very cute tools and other items from Drybar. e.l.f., we got the primer and the cleansing balm. They also had the powder puff, which I saw some people get. It's very cute. A different type of primer, the liquid filter, the lip oil. Good Molecules, I now have 2 of these. The Monday shampoo. We can mark off the Epic ink liner from NYX. They also had lip oil, lip gloss, the eye pencil, and the setting gel. So this particular nail polish that I got from OPI, I think is Gelato on My Mind. I think the other 2 were Strawberry Margarita and Funny Bunny. I'm pretty sure, just looking at the packaging. What did we get from Way? So I got a detox shampoo and a scalp serum. And I already had the Fine Medium Hair Treatment Mask. This leave-in conditioner I didn't get, but that's one of my Holy Grail products that I use. And then on the reverse, let's see what we got. So we already had a Redken shampoo. I got the One United spray. Shea Moisture, it was the Curl Mousse, I believe. Supergoop, nothing from Supergoop. Tarte, it looks like I got the darkest shade of the Shape Tape concealer. Truly, I got the Unicorn Fruit body butter. The blemish patches also looked really cute. The All Nighter setting spray. like I said, having one of those eyeshadows or the palette looked really fun. And yeah, I think that is it. Looks like they might have also had some special items. But yeah, that is everything. Let me show you what I had already pulled. So for this e.l.f. primer, I don't have the Jelly Pop primer, but I do have the Power Grip primer in the full size. So I thought it would just be fun to see those kind of side by side. And then of course this cap comes off. Obviously this cap comes off. So that is the e.l.f. Let's see, the Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm. So this is a 0.45 ounce size, so I think this was just a sample size. But I kind of just wanted to show you generally what the packaging colors and everything looked like. So some of these I have a mini, a functional mini. And then this is what the product looks like on the inside. So pretty similar, a little bit more opaque in the real one perhaps. The Good Molecules, I don't think I have any of these full size. I do have the Yerba Mate Wake Up Eye Gel, so I could have showed you that one, but I don't have the mini of that. I don't think I have a full size of the Smooth Shampoo, or at least one that I can show you. Pretty sure I don't have the NYX liner currently, but just for scale, this is a Moira liner. So that's kind of the scale there. And of course, I already put it back in the box. So I would think the NYX would be about the same size. So anyway, that is the NYX. Let's see, and then the nail polishes. So I don't have these specific shades, but I did pull out, this is actually what I'm wearing right now on my nails. This is the gel color from the Wicked collection in Oh for Oz Sake. So this is a full-size bottle, and these do come out, which is really cute. I think I also had a mini. Let me pull out another mini. So this is the mini in the same shade, I believe, because I got the advent calendar. So we have small, medium, and large there for comparison. And so that would be the same for the other OPI polishes as well. Detox shampoo and hair mask. I don't think I have any of the scalp serum in the full size. All right, so I pulled this out of my shower, so it might look a little gross. This is the 10-ounce size, and I had it upside down, so it's a little bit condensed. So yeah, this is, looking at the fine print, also a 10-ounce size, so it's a little squeezed, but yeah, that is the comparison there. I also had this 3 fluid ounce size, just for a little bit of a better color indicator, and obviously one that isn't kind of compressed. So that was the Way Detox Shampoo. For the hair mask, I also took this out of my shower, so it's a little bit worse for wear. And I'm getting towards the end of it as well. But I thought I would show you, well, I'll show you the interior now. So that's kind of the comparison in the color right there. And it's a little hard to make sure this is kind of on the right way, but and then this is the side by side. Some of these I think are a little bit closer to their full-size counterparts than others. I don't know if they have a standard scale or anything, but yeah, that is the side by side for that. So for the Redken shampoo, I do have another smaller kind of travel size, so it doesn't look like they really followed the larger size packaging as much with this size. This is 1.7 fluid ounce. And the full size on this is, I think, 10 something fluid ounce again. It's very holographic, that label, more so than this sample size. So that is what the back looks like. And I don't have a full size of the 1 United spray, but I do have this size. So this is 1 fluid ounce, and this is 5 fluid ounce, I believe. So that is the side by side with that. Again, the actual mini looks like it has a more holographic label than this does. But that is that comparison. The Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Mousse, I'm pretty sure I don't have. Super Goop we can skip. Okay, so for Tarte, I pulled out my Shape Tape concealer. This is in the shade Fair Neutral. I'm not sure if they still make this shade. Probably due to declutter this. But where is it? Okay, so this is the size comparison there. Obviously the shade is different. So that is what that doe foot looks like. And that is what the full size doe foot looks like. See it a little bit better there maybe. So hopefully you guys are enjoying this silly video. So give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying it. Going on to the Tarte Maneater Mascara. So again, I don't have a full size of it, but I do have a sample. And as you probably have heard over and over, just to give you a sense, my Holy Grail mascara is the Tarte Lights Camera Splashes. So that's kind of the relative scale of a full-size Tarte mascara to a mini. They're different formulations, but in any case, so this one does come out like so. And I'll show you, usually the brush on a sample mascara is the same as the full size, so at least we can get kind of a good side by side of that. This is kind of a rubberized wand, and like I said, this one just has that kind of flocking on it, like a very small pipe cleaner kind of thing. Make sure the right one goes in the right tube. So that was it for Tarte. Truly, I don't think I have this in the full size. Some of these I might have other sample sizes of here or there. The All Nighter, this is the final one. Okay, so I don't have a full size. I don't really use setting spray all that much. This was a sample, half an ounce, 15 milliliters. And that is what that looks like, side by side. This full size, 4 fluid ounce perhaps, would make sense. So I have that one, and then I also have a mini, like truly sample size. This is like a perfume vial. So I thought that would just be interesting, just for comparison's sake. Almost the same. This one is 2.0 milliliters or 0.06 fluid ounce. Again, just for sake of comparison. So hope you guys, there's a cap in there. So again, hope you guys found this interesting. Let me know if you've picked one of these up. But yeah, that's gonna do it. So hope you guys liked this. Make sure to like and subscribe. And again, I hope you all are doing well and staying safe, especially if you are in any way impacted by the wildfires in California. So I hope you all are taking good care of yourselves as we go further into 2025. But that's going to do it for this video, so I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.